Hello guys, and today I will be showing you how to make stuff like basically like WASD keys on Scratch. So basically you start off with this, So you'll have to click on Sprite 1 if it hasn't done that by itself already. Then you have to go on to events and make 4 of these. Then you need to click on movement. Then you make 2 of them have to move 10 steps. And one has turn right and the other one has turn left. Okay, now you have to make this the right arrow and this the left arrow. Now you have to make this minus 10 steps, and then make it down arrow, and then you make this one up arrow because, yeah. Now you can play. Now you can just